Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we'll make tabouli salad with some pan-seared salmon. So let's get to it. For this recipe, we need some burger, some coriander, tomatoes, mint, green onions, cucumbers, garlic, salt and pepper, lemon, some salmon, and some olive oil. I just wanted to show you, so this is the dry state of the burger. Burger is a type of wheat that is found, I think, in the Middle East, in Lebanon. So that's what it looks like when it's dry. And I soaked it in water for 20 minutes and it doubled in size. So it's a very easy recipe to make. It's very healthy. You don't have to cook anything other than the fish, which is very good for your body. Sometimes your body needs that break. So I thought this was the right salad for it. Okay. So I'm going to start by making the vinaigrette, which is very simple. I'll put the lemon, the juice, some lemon juice. Let me add salt and pepper now. Okay. Now whisk it. And when I'm whisking, I'm going to start dripping the olive oil. So I've first ate burger, I think it was somewhere in Europe. I can't remember where exactly, but when I tried it, I really like it and was curious about it. And when I heard that it was not cooked at all, it was just mixed. I think the flavor from the mint and the coriander was just amazing. Okay, I'm gonna taste it. Yeah, it's very good. So all you have to do, which I love, all you have to do is add all the ingredients. So I'm gonna add the garlic and whisk it. I think I could have added the garlic at the beginning just for the vinaigrette, but that's okay. So there, and then I drained it. So it was soaked in water. I drained it, and now I'm just gonna put it here. Probably wanna take that one out. So very easy to make, like I said. So you mix all the ingredients, you put everything, you just dump everything there. And you let it sit for at least 20 minutes just to give a chance to all of the spices to blend well together. For a while, all those aromas to get into the burger, and it's just, when you eat it, it's refreshing, amazing. And now I'm just gonna mix everything. I just think sometimes we fry, we dip, we deep fry, we stew, but sometimes eating just fresh ingredients like this, it's very good. I just feel that, yeah, my body breaks down the food better. It's very healthy recipe. There it is. And then you can always add the garlic and the mint to your taste, The one I tried had a lot of mint, so you could just taste the mint coming off with the coriander. So if you're not a big fan of mints like that, then you can definitely adjust it to your liking. Okay, I'm just gonna cover it up to give a chance to all those ingredients. Okay, there we go. So we'll let it sit, and while it sits, we're gonna move over to our stove and we're gonna fry that fish. We're just gonna put salt, very simple for our fish. There we go. salt and pepper. So when I have fish, I like to season just the flesh of the fish, because that's why you get all the flavors, and I start with the skin side there. So you don't want to flip the salmon too soon, because that's how it breaks off. So when the edges, so you can look at the edges turning brown, it means that the other side is cooked. Yeah, there you go. It's perfect. I'm just gonna flip it. Cover it for a minute. Cover it for a minute. It doesn't take long for the flesh to get cooked. So just a minute, and then our salmon will be ready. Okay, so our salmon is ready, and we're just gonna taste our salad here. Oh, it looks so yummy. Okay, and I'm gonna take a piece of the salmon here, just to take a crack at it. Okay. Okay, so let's taste it. It's very good. It's very good. It's refreshing. It's light. Yeah. And I really like when you can taste every single ingredient in the salad. I think there's nothing like it. It's very good, guys. I think this recipe is easy for a quick lunch, and where you don't really know what to cook, this is the way to go. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next episode. Bye bye.